Hi there, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 budget-friendly crockpot recipes. I love crockpot cooking. It's easy, it is delicious also, and there's so many ways you can make crockpot recipes super budget-friendly. So I'm really excited to share these recipes with you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. I share multiple videos a week of all of my easy recipes. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you put a like, and let's get into these 5 budget-friendly crockpot recipes. This budget-friendly crockpot recipe, I have 2 chicken breasts, I have a can of Rotel tomatoes, a can of black beans washed and drained, corn drained, I have some taco seasoning, and I like to buy this big container because it's just a better value for us because we use a lot of taco seasoning. I'm using 2 tablespoons, so this is really just so good. It's kind of a Southwest Fiesta chicken, and there's tons of flavor in this one. Really super easy, dump and go. Cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours. We can do it on high for 3 to 4 hours. Here it is, all done. Give it a stir. I like to cut the chicken into small pieces so that it's kind of ready to go, but you could just put in the pieces whole if you want. I am serving with a side of rice, topped with some cheddar cheese. So good. I'm going to make some frozen meatballs in the crock pot. I buy this big bag of frozen meatballs, and it's just a great value because we do a lot of frozen meatballs. This is going to be a Swedish meatballs. I have a can of cream of mushroom soup. I have some beef broth as well. I'm going to do 2 cups of beef broth. I'm going to add in some Worcestershire sauce, and you can do 1 to 2 tablespoons depending how much you want to add in on this one. I like to add 2 because I love the flavor, and I am going to add in, I have a packet of brown gravy mix. This is just a really great dump and go. These meatballs come out so tender and flavorful at the end of the day. I just absolutely love them. I'm adding in some seasonings as well. I have some garlic powder that I'm adding in about a teaspoon. And I have some cornstarch to thicken up this kind of gravy sauce, and it is so good. I like to serve this one with some egg noodles. You can serve it with whatever kind of side you want. Noodles are super cheap. Rice is cheap also, and it's just a really great way to soak up this really yummy, yummy sauce. I'm going to give it a little mix before I put the lid on. You could cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours, and like I said, they come out so tender and flavorful cooking in this wonderful gravy all day. So here it is, give it a nice little stir. I'm going to serve with my egg noodles, and we are all set for a super inexpensive crockpot dinner. I have 2 chicken breasts. I have some barbecue sauce as well. I'm going to make some shredded barbecue sandwiches. We do a lot of chicken, so I love adding just different flavors to it. Chicken is a really affordable protein, so we use it a lot. I have our favorite barbecue sauce, and then I have this creamy Italian dressing as well. I'm adding in some Worcestershire sauce also. This is so easy, very, very few ingredients. So I have my 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to add in some garlic powder as well, about a teaspoon. And I'm going to cook this on low for 7 hours. You can cook it on high as well for 3 hours if you'd like. Let this cook, and then it will be so good. So here it is, and now I'm going to kind of pull the chicken pieces apart, and it just shreds. Look how easily it shreds up. I'm just using a fork and some tongs. You can use a chicken shredder if you'd like. This sauce is really, really yummy. I have some hamburger buns, super affordable. You can get a pack of hamburger buns for $1. So this dinner is really inexpensive, and it's just really great. Use your favorite barbecue sauce on this one, whichever you like. We love Sweet Baby Ray's. It's our favorite. But use your favorite and make it what you like. I'm going to add some more barbecue sauce on top of this, and you can add on some cheese if you want, whatever kind of little toppings you want to add. So good. So I'm going to be doing a taco soup. I have ground turkey, and I love using ground turkey, but you can use ground beef if you want. I have our taco seasoning, and like I said, I buy this big container because we do use it a lot, and it is a better value for us. So I have 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, a can of black beans washed and drained, corn drained, I have some red kidney beans washed and drained, some Rotel tomatoes that I'm going to dump in. I use the one with diced green chilies.
I have this green salsa verde. I'm going to use 1 cup of this. It's a pretty big jar. There's about 2 cups in this jar. I'm going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth, and I'm going to give this a mix. You can add beef broth also if you want to this one. So I'm going to give it a good mix. I can cook this on low for about 7 hours. You can cook it on high for 3 hours also if you'd like. And it is really, really yummy. And it is so filling and hearty. That's why I love this one. I love all these different beans in here and the corn. So I like making a big batch of this. You can freeze some. And like I said, I just love the value. You can just really make a lot of this meal for really inexpensive. Add on some cheese if you'd like, and it is ready to go. So I'm going to be doing a veggie soup, a really great way to have a really inexpensive meal. So I have all of our favorite veggies chopped into some small pieces, carrots, celery, onion, a can of fire roasted salsa. I've got corn and black beans. I'm going to dice up a bell pepper. I'm using orange because it's my favorite, but any color. I have a can of lentils, a can of Great Northern beans. I'm going to add in some tomato sauce as well. And this is so nice and healthy. Just really, really great to pack in all those veggies. So I used 4 cups of chicken broth. You can use a vegetable broth if you'd like to keep this vegetarian. So I have my seasonings. I'm adding in my garlic powder, my Italian seasoning also. I am going to give this a little stir, give it a mix, and then you can cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours. You can cook it on high for about 3 hours if you'd like. I just love this veggie packed soup. It is really filling, makes a really big serving for very little cost. I love freezing portions of this and having it in the freezer ready to go. So there is no waste on this one. I hope you enjoyed these budget-friendly recipes made in the Crockpot. I love using my Crockpot, and I love having a grocery budget and sticking to it. It's just a great way to stick to your budget, to do some meal planning and plan out what you're having for the week and try and get those low-cost meals in there to serve to your family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Put a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.